Hello, Puan. Roshan and I like to talk about Ganya product. What's Ganya? The company started as Laboratories Ganya in 1904 by French creator Alfred Amour Gagné. Throughout the launch of his first patent, uh, plant-based hair lotion and La Lotion Garnier. In the 1930s, Garnier was an early producer of sunscare items and the first to make a permanent hair color in 1960. It was acquired by L'Oreal in the 1970s. Okay. Garnier product is called customer product. People who purchase Garnier are not only buying more just a product. They buying stress reliefness, flawless complexion, relaxation, and give a better reputation in front of others. It also actual product, its packaging, shape of the bottle, naming of types, and the designs are very attractive. Garnier are argumented product. When a customer buy Garnier product, they will be given a special gift for purchasing set products or purchasing during seasonal period. Then it's also convenience product. For example, face lotion, Garnier face wash, Garnier acne cleaner. Okay. Major pricing strategies of Garnier is cost-based pricing. Different type of Garnier product contain a different types of ingredient which majorly control the pricing strategy. Garnier is a new product using a new product pricing strategies, which is market penetration. Garnier set a low price in order to attract a large number of buyers, and also they use a captive product pricing. Garnier produce some products which in need to purchase another item in order to make the usage acceptable. For example, those who buy Garnier face whitener needs to buy Garnier face wash before they apply the face whitener. Yeah.
Good evening, Puan. Okay. I will talk about the continuous presentation of Vishnu. I think he left in production life cycle, so I think I'll continue with this places. Okay, since our product is Garnier, Garnier is usually a very affordable kind of product, and if you see, it's affordable to all class and people to purchase. So most of the Garnier products are easily found in the nearest shopping complex, shopping plazas, pharmacies, and even some medical healthcare places. So Garnier is a product that's easily found mostly all around the world, such as countries more like the States, Russia, New York, and so-called on. Okay, for next I'm going to talk about these promotion tools used in this presentation today. Among the all tools we use, I think we have selected 4, which is advertising, sales promotion, direct marketing, and public relation. Let's start with the first, advertising. Okay, advertising is defined as any form of paid communication or promotion for the product, for service, and idea. Advertising is not only used by the company but also used by museums, government sectors, and charitable organizations. Next, I'm going to talk about sales promotion. Promotion is an interactive tool used to drive up short-term sales. Sales promotion actually can be have like many objectives, among them to grab attention among new customers, reward new extending customers, and increase the consumption of occasional users. Next, I'm going to talk about public relation. The major factor of public relation is support product publicity, handle matters and law factors, guide management, respect and public issues, and also create mentally and cooperative image. Companies are looking at ways to coverage to function in the marketing and public relation in marketing public relationships. Most of our companies, direct marketing will be the next topic I'm going to say today. Direct marketing can be used to deliver a message through or out a service. It can save a lot of time, lot of energy, and lot of experience. And direct marketing is usually to reduce costs. Okay, in a nutshell, I can say that Gardenia Light Complete products are very effective for our skin, and also we can see the trend forms in more like in 7 days, in 1 week of time. And also, our Gardenia Light Complete product are offering in a very reasonable price. Thank you.